Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is another reading. I've got your cards here and I have my tea which I'll have along, but I've already taken the cards out. I'd shuffled the deck and I'm going to give you different messages. There are also love messages, your job, health, money wise, anything that I pick up. So next 7 days is 17th to 23rd of December. Let's see what's going to happen. So this is a general reading, remember, but there could be guidances for you or how it's going to be the next 7 days if you wanted any kind of guidances. So here are the love messages, the monology cards. I'm also going to do some, I'm going to take out some cards for your money situation also, or any other thing that I can take out. I'll also give you a spirit animal. So let's start the reading. And people who are new to my channel, welcome to Tam Predicts. I am a psychic, a medium, a clairvoyant, and an intuitive tarot reader. I'm guided by my spirit guides, my archangels, and my ascended masters. Here are your 7 messages. I wanted to give 7 messages for you. Sorry, to you. 7 messages to you. Let's see what are the messages. First card. I'm going to start with Lord Shiva. It's a very powerful card. It's a beautiful card. There are blessings in the card. There are also the third eye. Look at the third eye, the chakra. The third eye is opened here. I feel next 7 days you'll have more clarity in a situation. Keep your eyes and ears open is another message, channel message that I get. I also get dance like nobody's watching, so there's going to be something to celebrate. Could be you could be signing something, you could be selling something which will give you a profit. But next 7 days it's a beautiful time because I really feel money coming in. I get money and I get a dance of joy, dancing and celebrating something with the universe, and this is definitely, like we know Shiva, Lord Shiva, for his dance. So I really think, you'll actually not really care if somebody's looking, but this is a dance of joy, and this is also blessings here. uh, Also, look at the gaze. It's also a serious gaze, so it's like even if you enjoy something, but do not lose your focus. Keep yourself focused. Do celebrate whatever you've got, your achievements and everything, but yeah, um, do not lose focus is the first thing that I want to say. So let's see what are the other cards. You've got Radha here. This is beautiful. So you're going to find a soulmate very soon. That's what I feel. Next 7 days is all about soulmates. Soulmates connecting, soulmates connection, networking. Especially with soulmates, I get more of a love message here also. This is soulmates, finding your soulmate or your soul flame, or having a good time with your soulmates. There's a harmony in relationships. I get emerald color a lot. I get green, I get emerald. That's going to be beautiful for you the next 7 days. But this is a beautiful experience with your soulmate. Let's see what's the other message. This is inner strength. So believe in your inner strength. This is basically keep yourself strong. That's another message that I get. Um, keep the fire burning. I don't know what it means to you. Next 7 days could be that do not give up on a task. Keep the fire burning. Do whatever you can so that this fire is not extinguished. I feel next 7 days is going to be a lot of hard work also for some of you. um, let's see what are the messages that I can give. And you have the power within, so I do not think you need to look for assistance or support, or like a confirmation from other people. It is you very strong, so you do not have to worry about it. Just recognize your power, and this is your power. You've got the power to keep the flame burning is another message that I get. Archangel Michael is in the reading, which is a beautiful reading, and I'm always guided by Archangel Michael. He's one of my guardian angels. I feel trust heaven, speak your truth. I don't know if you work with gems or crystals. If you do, clean your crystal, cleanse them under the moonlight, or whatever way you normally clean your crystals. But this is, I feel, cleaning of something. What do I feel? Cleaning the air. So the channel message that I get is you need to clear something with someone. If there's been mistrust, dishonesty, whatever, I feel there has to be a clarification given from your side in the next 7 days, or from the other person's side. It also says you're safe. Your angels are around you. So if you work with angels, or if your angels are your guiding spirits, so I really feel they are with you. And this, look at the power in the cards. Really powerful cards, and all of them very, very powerful people who are guiding you right now. Look at this. Look at the power. And you've got blessings, you've got power, and you've got Archangel Michael. So there are miracles coming your way in the next 7 days. Also downloads and understandings. This is a card of truth. Even this is all about truth. Archangel Michael and Lady Venus. Venus is also about, love, and that's what I feel. There will be love in the next 7 days. Like I said, you'll be spending a lot of time with your soulmate or whoever your partner is. A lot of understanding, a lot of download and understanding is also clear communication. So have clarity in communication. That's what I feel. Look at the eyes, so clear. You know. Make things right with people, and truth is important here, and I also feel you'll connect to the astral realm, or you are connected to the astral realm, or you'll be reading about something like that, probably reading about uh, things like spiritual, or probably raising your vibration. So, Master Buddha is here. So, I feel a lot of peace when I see these cards, a lot of blessings, I would say. And like I said, there is increased awareness because here you got the card which says, there's a connection to the astral world, or you're going to have an experience like that. A lot of us are more astral than the others. So maybe you're raising a vibration. There's a deep connection. So whatever I was saying, yes, these words are here. So there is a deep connection, and do trust your inner voice, because I think this is about keeping the flame burning, and or probably you have to resolve a conflict inside you that's happening. Maybe that's the conflict. And look at this. That's how you got to, understand what's going inside, your own heart or whatever your mind. You need clarity in that, and recognize your own power. So your power is, trust your inner voice. So your inner voice is your power. So if it's been leading you to some place, or it's been leading you somewhere, so just trust that, and go with your inner voice, because that's very powerful. So you'll be cleaning your karma. So there's a, that, like I said, there's a lot of cleaning involved. I said cleanse your crystals, and I said, clarity of thought. If anything is foggy or anything is fogging your thoughts, got to clear it with someone, or your inner conflict. You got to 7 days. Next 7 days is all about clarity. Opening your eyes to the truth. That's another message that I get. And it also says make space for good energy. So maybe that you're not attached to somebody who's very positive. Probably the person gives you very negative feelings, but I feel that's where it's all about clearing your energies. That's the message, big time message. Let's see what the romance angel cards are saying. I want to give you love messages. What are the romance angel cards are saying? I took out 7 cards, and let's see what the 7 cards are saying. Wow, keep an open mind. So for love, keep an open mind. So you never know who you will meet where. So that's another message for you. If you were looking for love, it's not probably through the channel you were looking for love. Probably there are more channels. Open up more channels. Keep an open mind about the person you are with. Maybe you are just ignoring the person, or you're not really seeing the person with the right eyes, right perspective. If it's for marriage, I mean, you probably wouldn't be thinking the person is marriage material. But I would say spend more time and then make a have a conversation, have conversations, and then make this decision. Do not just make this decision on the looks, or just like after one meeting. So that's another message that I get. So try to get to know each other. So that's nice. Keep an open mind, which means get to know each other. I'd just shuffle these cards and taken them out. I've not even seen them myself. So keep an open mind, getting to know each other. Need to spend more time with each other. I also feel one of you is really not being yourself with the other person. So if it's the first meeting, second meeting, or whatever, if you know the person for long, this is actually a guidance from my side, that at least reveal who you are. I mean your true self, because do not like put a mask and become somebody else, because that's not right, because the other person will not be able to judge you. And only when you get to know each other, your bond will deepen and show the real you. That's the message that I get. I don't know why, but I'm getting a message that one of you is not really putting yourself the way you are. So if you want to get to know each other, put your real self out there. And I really think one meeting and 2 meetings is not really enough. Probably do not make up your mind or cross out the person just because you met them twice or something. That's the message that I get. Trust the process, trust the universe, trust the people around you, trust your loved one. So trust the person in the situation. So whatever situation you are in, it's asking you to keep the faith. Okay, look at this. It's asking you to keep the faith. Okay, the person is really into you, so you do not have to worry. Next 7 days, keep the trust. Have a heart to heart conversation. So this is all about keep an open mind, heart to heart conversation. It's a nice card. I'm not getting any negative card. I was just worried about if I get a separation or something, and this is great. This is all the same thing, heart to heart, talking to each other, a healthy discussion of feelings. Remember, a healthy discussion, an honest discussion about how you feel. Do not make the person, go around in circles, or don't say things that you don't mean is another thing. Probably if you do not want to commit, start the relationship with that you're probably not looking for commitment, or whatever. But be honest. I feel with your feelings also. If you're feeling something, if you have a lot of feelings, or you're feeling something, even after 3 meetings or 4 meetings, you got to tell the person honestly. That's what I feel, because I feel there are no rules. There are no rules to love, that you have to meet so many times and then think, and then it should deepen the bond, or whatever. Just go with the flow, whatever you feel like at that point of time. So this is your soulmate next 7 days. Remember, we got Radha there, and it was all about soulmate, twin flame. So you are with your soulmate, and December is going to be a beautiful time. I feel the soulmate is going to say a lot of things that will make you feel happy. Sorry, I'm having my tea along with it. So I feel the other person you're involved with, your special person, will actually express themselves. And I think they'll say a lot of things they've not said before. And I think all good things. They'll be more expressive. Expressive is the word that I get. They will try to strike a conversation. This is more effort from their side. That's another thing that I get. But remember to love yourself first. Only when you love yourself first, only when you give yourself some love and care, will you be able to give the same back to the person. So that's a big message there. So if you investing too much time in the other person, not taking out any time for yourself, it's not really fair on yourself. Or you kind of make time for yourself, because I feel you investing too much time in your special person, or probably you're always waiting for them, or whatever, you're changing your programs, adapting. So this is also, make time for yourself, give yourself some time. What, a lot of passion the next 7 days. This is beautiful. A lot of good things coming to you. These are beautiful 7 cards. So great. No negative card. Next 7 days, thumbs up for love life. Thumbs up for romance. This is beautiful. Let's see what the Moonology cards are saying. Wow, work through your fears. So anything stopping you, work through it, address the fears, and then move on. Maybe the situation is not so bad. Maybe the scorpion looks that it's going to sting, but it's not going to sting. Or maybe the situation is like that, that you feel you, or probably you're making a big thing about it. You're getting fearful of something that's is not like scary or something. Or probably you're scared to cross a boundary when it comes to success. You've drawn boundaries around yourself. um, so this looks scary, but I feel somebody that you think is scary is actually without that sting. It's just probably look wise. You got to talk to the person. Could be your boss, could be anybody, could be a member in a family that you're fearing. I do not know for what. That's another strange message that I just channeled. I mean, they're coming charging towards you. Did someone come charging towards you and you do not know how to deal with it, or somebody will come charging when you hear this? Adjustments are required. So, whatever the situation, you need to adjust also. Some kind of adjustments are required. Maybe it's your plan, maybe it's something. It's not going how you planned. That's another message that I get. It's not going the way you planned it. So maybe, yeah, there are adjustments. Maybe you need to change a plan. Maybe there's a little delay, but no giving up. That's what I feel. This is the most beautiful card here. A new start is coming. So a new start is there. Anyway, the year is changing. It's going to end. So there's a new beginning. That's another channel message that I get. There's a new beginning coming up, and it's a new start. Maybe that's why it says work through your fears. Maybe you were not taking up something that is scary, though, requires a lot of courage, strength from your side. But you got to go there because a new start is coming. Maybe it's different. Maybe it's something you've never tried. And that could be scary, something that's new, something that you've never tried. Take some time to breathe out. Yes, do give yourself some time. Like I said, these are the sigil cards. I'm not used them for long. Let's see what the sigil cards are saying. Wow, resolution. So with your loved one, there'll be a resolution. So a mistake or something. I don't know why this is a channel message. Okay, this could be for one of you. A mistake or something that was so big or something that looked very big to address. You're gonna make friends with that, you know. So no more enemies. You're gonna if something was burning, look at the whale, you know, and look at the diver. It's almost doing a high five. You were scared of something, but there's gonna be a resolution. Or probably a small problem became that big, you know, as big as a whale. It was very small to start with and you did not know how to resolve it or what to do about it. It's going to get resolved in the next 7 days. You could be a water sign, you could be an earth sign, you could be, you know, it's not necessary because this is a general reading, remember that. Yep, Archangel Michael came twice, so Archangel Michael is there. We had an Archangel Michael card in the other deck. Next 7 days, you require boldness, remember, because there's a new start coming and you do not have to fear anything. Please do not fear anything, be fearless, be bold, just like the waterfall. Remember I said just go with the flow, so just go wherever, even if it's a waterfall, just flow with it, you know. It's going to take you to something good and something good is going to happen. And next 7 days you need to apply your mind to something, you know. It's a mind game. You need to use your, you know, mind more is what I get. Let's see if I can get any money messages, any job messages, what's coming towards you. I want to take out 5 cards or 6 cards. That's the message that I get. Burdens are going to be lifted. You're going to feel much better. I mean, whenever you're listening to this reading, of course, it's for 17th to 23rd, but I feel 10 days before this, you know, it's some kind of a burden you felt on your shoulders, or probably a back pain, which is now better, or probably a neck pain. I also get neck pain, you know, also in the middle, especially neck, not left or right, but I get more of the middle. Yep, here it is. A new start is coming. Death. Death is doesn't mean a scary card. It's a new beginning, guys. Look at this. 2 new beginnings. How beautiful is this? So there is a new beginning for a lot of you. Something new, you know, an old cycle ending. Suddenly, death is also something suddenly ending, and but something new also beginning pretty soon. This card jumped out of my hand. See, next 7 days you've got a number 7. Next 7 days you will get what you want. That's another message. So just look beyond. Look beyond the ordinary. Look beyond the clouds. So this is clarity. So most of the messages are great. I mean, it's similar. Money improvement. There you go. There's money coming your way. It's like cups, you know, 7 cups. Water sign, like I said, I'm getting a lot of water here. I'm getting fire. This could also be clarity in air. Could be air, earth, all the signs, but I get water now, water and air more, but there is clarity. But look at this, 2 new beginnings is beautiful. Be careful what you ask for. Like I said, here also emotions will not rule you the next 7 days. I mean, because this came reversed, which means you actually will apply your mind. This is all about mind, you know. This one is jumping. Oh, another next 7. So beautiful. I'm so blessed when I get such cards. This is a small wish card, something, you know, you moving. This seems like I want to give you this message. It was also when we started, do not judge the book by its cover. So maybe I want to say is, maybe you've just started a job and you know you already feel this job is not right for me, or you just started to go around with someone and you already like, no, this guy is not right for me, or this girl is not right for me. So I really get, you know, it's not what it looks like. Maybe it looks like he's stealing the swords, you know, like the air energy, but this is not stealing. Maybe he's taking it away so the other person doesn't have, you know, doesn't hurt, or you know, I do not know, but this is not what the situation looks like. Somebody's taking that away, probably it belongs to him, you know. So this is, do not misjudge the situation. That's a big message that I get, guys. Let's see a last card here. Yep, you know, choose your burdens. That's another message that I get. Okay, whatever responsibility, I mean, somebody is dumping their own burdens or their own problems on you. So next 7 days, in fact next 10 days, just be careful of that, you know. I do not want you to carry somebody else. I feel you're carrying somebody else's responsibility, or you're taking somebody else's responsibility, you're guilt tripping yourself, you know. You thought because of you the problem happened. I don't know what message, you know, that's a channel message, so it could be for one of you. You feel because of you something happened and this is not right. Who's your spirit animal? Let's see. What's one general spirit animal that I'm getting? One spirit animal for everybody. What's the message? Next 7 days, one spirit animal. 2 came. I'm going to take the swan because So the swan is beautiful. Remember, ugly duckling turned into a swan. Exactly, this reading is about someone who's just going to give up on a job or somebody just because you did not judge them well, or you did not, you thought, I'm not going to say ugly. I'm sorry. No, no shaming anybody, but you get the story. What I mean is, I mean, things that look, what they are, the person is nicer, or the job is much better, or the family doesn't mean anything. So kind of dig deeper and understand what it is. That's what I get. But yeah, swan is graceful and powerful. So anyway, you've got a lot of powerful cards here. It's also about spiritual truth and wisdom. So one of you could be raising your vibrations, would be reading about the astral world, or could be reading about light workers, or you could be a light worker listening to this, a healer, a therapist. I get therapist a lot, so remember that. But spiritual growth, yes, in the daily part of your life, that's what you got to do. You got to have a spiritual growth all around. And this is graceful. This is dealing with a situation with grace also. That's another thing that I get, dealing it with grace. So look at the swan taking flight, and not scared at all. Look at this, look at the stance. So those were the messages for you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Do comment and have beautiful 7 days. And I'll be back with another reading soon. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Also, you can write in the comment section the kind of reading you want, and I'll do that next time. I'll pick one of you and do that reading. Thank you.